Hello, Facebook. If you can hear me, if you could give me a heads up, or if you could see me, that'd be great too. Anyway, this is Dave Larsen with West USA Realty, and I just wanted to share with you an awesome new listing I have coming this weekend. If you're looking for a place in Queen Creek, this is a fantastic home. I'll take you through it here in just a minute. Out front, we're here on a nice corner lot in Hastings Farms. You've got a huge corner lot with a big side yard and then lots of privacy, because on the other side you've got a big bit of common area. Home is only a few years old and in just excellent condition, just been freshly painted inside. All the landscape is in front and back. And I wanted to show you over here, you have a nice extra parking slab and RV gate. So there's a lot of good access to the backyard. Let's go in and take a peek. All the landscaping too is on automatic sprinklers and drip. Nothing that needs to be added or done here unless you wanted to change something for personal taste. Let's go on inside here. First thing I want to draw your attention to is gorgeous tile floors. Sort of a stone looking tile throughout all the walkways, hallway, bathrooms, kitchen, living area. And then here we go with great room type floor plan. Fantastic kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, nice pantry that I'll show you in a minute, and just a really nice open space here. Ceiling fans everywhere you'd want them. Kind of walk around so you can get a better sense of the space here. All the window treatments are in. And this great room here has, and I'll show you some, surround sound speakers. So you can really enjoy this room here. Really nice granite countertops with the rounded edge. Great big pantry with a light in there so it's easy to see stuff. Everybody's favorite for cooking, gas range, not available everywhere in Arizona. And then I love this refrigerator, double door with ice in the door, water in the door. And again, like the rest of the house, almost new condition. The other thing that's kind of cool about this house is a split bedroom floor plan. So you have the master over here, all by itself, private. Nice size room. It also has the wood plank tile flooring that everybody loves so much nowadays. Ceiling fan, and the ceiling fan is on a remote. Large dual vanity master bath here. A water closet for privacy, and a nice size walk-in closet. And then down the bedroom hallway, we have got programmable thermostat, inside laundry room right here by the bedroom, sort of centrally located, so it's all easy with cabinets. Good sized secondary bedrooms, also with ceiling fans, and the blinds are all in. Nice size hall bath. Again, everything is just in great condition. And then your third bedroom here. All fresh paint throughout, all cleaned and ready to move into, and ceiling fan, of course. I'll just take a second here and show you the garage space. Nice size 2-car garage with some extra electrical outlets, some pegboard storage there, and a water softener, plus extra paint if you wanted to do any touch-up paint. If when you're moving in, you bump something here or there. Let's go on back. This is one of my favorite features of this particular home. It has a fantastic backyard patio area. Just ideal for entertaining. I'm going to start over this way. Everybody's favorite, the built-in gas grill here. And I should point out, you can't quite see them properly in the daylight here, but it's got the string lights over the patio area. This looks really cool at night or even in the early evening. See if you can see that a little better. Paver stones for the extended and covered patio area. Nice size storage shed over here in your side yard, with some extra materials in it. And then obviously more opportunity to do things here, add landscape if you'd like. You've got a grass play area here on automatic sprinklers. And I'm just gonna get a perspective here from the far back of the yard here to give you an idea of the size of this home's backyard. It's really exceptional for a newer home area. And that is really everything I have. This home is going on the market later today or first thing tomorrow at a price tag of only $260, which for this size home out here is really well priced. So, and this is in Queen Creek, just off of Ellsworth, so it is on the far west side of Queen Creek, almost to Gilbert. If you're looking for something like this, or you know somebody who is, please give me a call. Be happy to give you early access. And if you're looking for early access on our upcoming listings, let me know. You can reach me, Dave Larsen, easiest on my cell at 602-430-5755. Have a great weekend, everybody.